Let me guess. You swore this was the week you'd finally go to the gym, start that side hustle, eat clean, fix your sleep, read that one book that's been on your desk since 2021. But instead, here you are, scrolling. And now you're thinking, maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe I'll never change. But plot twist, what if you're not lazy? What if your brain is just undertrained? And what if there's a part of your brain that literally gets stronger every time you do something uncomfortable? Like a willpower gym, but you don't need a membership. Just pain. Section 1. The AMC explained. It's called the anterior midcingulate cortex. Yeah, try saying that 3 times fast without spraining your tongue. Let's just call it the AMC from now on. It's the part of your brain that lights up when you do stuff that sucks, like dragging yourself out of bed at 6 a.m, or opening that assignment that's been sitting in your downloads folder for 3 weeks. This little chunk of brain, it's your get it done center. And the wild part? Every time you do something hard, especially when you don't feel like it, this area literally gets stronger, like physically bigger. This is your brain's version of gym gains, except no protein shake required. Section 2. The discipline feedback loop. Here's how the loop works. You do something uncomfortable. Your AMC fires up. It strengthens. That same task becomes less painful next time. Rinse and repeat. You're literally conditioning your brain to stop flinching when life punches. And the best part, it doesn't just help with one thing. It translates over to the rest of your life. You start with the gym, suddenly work feels easier. You clean your room, somehow you start studying more. Discipline leaks into everything. You're not built different. Your brain just got buffed. Section 3. How to grow your AMC. All right, so how do we train this mental beast? Let's keep it real simple. 3 things. All stupidly small. All stupidly powerful. Make your bed. Yeah, I said it. The oldest cliche in the book. Make your bed. And yes, I know you're just going to get back in it later. But here's the secret. It's not about the bed. It's about the act. It's you saying, hey brain, I don't feel like doing this, but we're doing it anyway. That's 1 rep. 1 microscopic win. And a massive signal to your AMC that you're serious now. This isn't Navy SEAL boot camp. It's 2 minutes of effort that shifts your identity. Cold showers. I've been doing cold showers every morning for 3 years. And every winter, I still stare at that shower head like it just insulted my entire bloodline. I try to negotiate. Maybe just warm today. Maybe we just wash the feet. Maybe I just scream into a towel and call it character development. And then I turn it on. And it's awful. Every single time. But when I step out, clarity, control, confidence. It's like pressing reset on my nervous system. Bonus perks, huge dopamine spike, focus boost, better immune function. You stop being a little gremlin who hides from discomfort. But let's be honest, the real flex is knowing you did it anyway. Read 1 page, not a chapter. Not a whole book. 1 page. You won't always feel like it. But that's the beauty of it. It's another tiny rep for your AMC. I read most of my philosophy this way. Just 1 page of Meditations or The Art of War while I'm still half asleep and drooling. And over time, you learn more than you expect. Your brain gets primed with focus. You rack up a small win before breakfast. That's not just reading, that's mental compound interest. Section 4. Choose your own hard thing. Now these were my hard things, but yours might be different. Maybe it's going for a run, finishing that university assignment, stretching, texting someone back on time for once, or flossing, you absolute menace. Whatever it is, do it, even if you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. Drop yours in the comments. Let's build this AMC army together. Eventually your AMC is going to be so developed it'll start yelling stay hard before you even open your eyes in the morning. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just out of shape. Mentally. But here's the good news. Discipline is trainable, and the reps start small. Do something uncomfortable every day. Make it tiny. Make it annoying. But make it happen, because the more you do it, the stronger your AMC gets. And the stronger that gets, the easier your whole life becomes. This is how you change your brain. This is how you change your habits. This is how you change your life. And it all starts with one uncomfortable choice.